bullish price action for the last 5 or so candles on the big boys. What did I tell you? Seen that glitching? All right. See, now we're reclaiming the 120. The SPY's reclaiming VWAP. Q's bouncing. The SPY has taken that level, the 370s, 370, whatever I was saying. It's taken the 9 EMA, the short term. It's taken back VWAP, and now it's just above the 120. It's reclaiming the 120. So is Apple. Apple's reclaimed everything. Nvidia has reclaimed the 10, the 9, red to green, and it's right at VWAP. I see some bullish price action coming in, and it's making me want to just hold out a little bit longer. Increasing volume on the SPY. Look, 465,000, 515,000, 800,000 to get us above all of our indicators, including red to green. So we need to see some follow through right here, or either a healthy little cool down pullback and then a continuation of follow through. The SPY again is above everything. It's basing on the long-term directional SMA. I think it's just doing like a healthy little pullback or cool off. It could be just a healthy pullback as long as it stays above the 120. Right now it's right on the 120. Nvidia was able to get all the way up to VWAP, and it topped out at VWAP. Now the next candle opened directly even with the previous candle, still basing right beneath VWAP, but now I'm seeing a wick start to develop on the bottom of that candle, which signifies that it may try to push through VWAP. And Apple again is above all of our indicators. Same thing with the candles. The next candle opened right next to the previous candle, the body of it, but I do see a wick on the bottom, so it's trying to get bought up and break above that previous candle. Now if we can see that, if we can see this candle break above the previous candle and close above it, I feel like we will then see some bullishness come into the market. Healthy pullback, it was, but now we're breaking down the 120. Breaking down the 120, trying to hold it. We don't want to break down the 120. We want to base on it. Definitely don't want to break down the 9. I see a bunch of green prints. Looking at the heat map, AMD is only 25 cents under red to green. Nvidia is above it. SockXL's above it. SPY, Tesla, Q's, Apple, Amazon. Everything's above red to green. The only ones that aren't are AMD and Meta. And I mean, SockX doesn't count because it's a bearish vehicle. It's a bearish instrument. The next candle opened, the body opened, basically right next to the previous candle, and now it's trying to push up with a little volume right at that level, the 145.40. So 145.50, I believe, is that key level on Apple. Oh Lord, I'm fucking watching Apple, not paying attention to this, bro. Look at this bearish ass freaking candle right here, bro. Decent volume to the downside, looks like. All right, so we're almost at 500,000 shares. All right, I gotta cut it, bro. This isn't worth it. There's no price action, bro. It's just chopping around, bro. So it actually looks like trapping action. Can I get my thrills? You know you want to groove, girl. So come on, let's get Oh my God! Look at this! Look at this candle on the SPY. Look at that! Look at this thing. It tried to freaking, I guess, sell off, or yeah, and they bought it back up. It could bounce off that 370, 50 level perfectly. Bounced off the 10, the 9, got back above VWAP. It's having trouble with the 120 here. All right, so we're at that 370. Damn, look how low this SPY was over here. 348 it got to. And then a more recent high was about 378. Look at this. Look at it. This is that gap up right here. Tank, unnatural, running up, tank, tanking, gap up, then ran up, top of the range. The SPY's trying to reclaim VWAP. It got up there to 372 and rejected. Damn. I wasn't paying attention to my position. We got back up here to 5780s. Bro, they about to rug pull this shit, bro. There we go. There we go. Volume coming in. All right, look. 323,000, 328. So increasing volume, green. I see a bunch of green and white prints. Dude, like, can we pick a direction? Look, increasing volume. Let's see if the increase in volume continues. It's looking like it is. Look, with only 30,000 shares traded, it's already bounced up that much. That means if we get increasing volume on this candle, we're about to break above VWAP and go red to green. If this volume is more than this, we're going to break above VWAP and go red to green. Still not even there yet. Halfway. That's half the volume. If we get the same amount of volume or increasing volume trend continues, we will break above VWAP and go red to green. All right, almost the same. All right, same amount of volume, increasing volume. We broke above VWAP for a second. Nvidia is looking pretty bullish right now. Look, there's the increasing volume I was talking about. Breaking above VWAP. Breaking above VWAP. I see some bouncing coming in on all the big boys. Look at Nvidia.